How to treat an irritated belly button piercing. While your belly button piercing heals, it's important to avoid physically irritating the area. Additionally, preventing infection is vital to minimizing the amount of irritation associated with your piercing. The most important aspect of preventing and treating infection in a belly button piercing is thorough cleaning. You can also minimize the irritation associated with an infection by protecting and disinfecting your piercing. Keeping your piercing clean. Clean the piercing daily. Regular cleaning is the best way to speed up the healing process after receiving a piercing. This will reduce the amount of time that your belly button is tender and easily irritated. Regular cleaning will also help prevent serious irritants such as infection. After washing your hands with soap and warm water, use a Q-tip or cotton ball dipped in saline solution or mild antibacterial soap to wash both holes made by the piercing, as well as your belly button. Gently rotate your piercing about 4 times around after washing. To make your own saline solution, mix a half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water. Continue washing your piercing and the surrounding area once or twice daily until the redness, swelling, and discharge that normally follow a belly button piercing subside. Wash the piercing every time you shower. Once the belly button piercing has healed, it's still important to wash it regularly. Showering is the recommended method of washing, as bathtubs can harbor bacteria that may infect your piercing. Do not use a washcloth or loofah to clean your belly button piercing. These can harbor bacteria and may pull or otherwise irritate your piercing. Use a gentle soap to wash both holes of your piercing, as well as your belly button and the surrounding area. Allow water from the shower to simply wash the soap away. Do not allow body fluids to touch the piercing. One common irritant and potential source of infection for belly button piercings is bodily fluid. This includes your own or other people's fluids. Avoid getting saliva, sweat, and any other bodily fluid on or around your belly button piercing. When you sweat, be sure to wash your belly button piercing at your earliest convenience. Stay out of bodies of water. Do not get in a pool, hot tub, or natural body or water while your belly button piercing is healing or infected. Even a clean, well-maintained, and chemically treated pool may still contain bacteria that can cause an infection or prolong healing. Follow cleaning directions. After receiving your piercing, the professional that gave it to you will direct you on how to properly clean the piercing and help it heal. Be sure to remember everything they tell you, and write their directions down if you may forget. If you experience unpleasant symptoms or an infection associated with your piercing, call the business where you received the piercing and ask what they recommend for treatment.